Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now listen, in my last video, I mentioned that I would be working on a folio for the inside of the Summer in the City journal. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Okay, so what you see here is just like a sketch of a very loose sketch of the inside of the journal. So I'm going to attempt to make a magnetic pocketed ephemera holder that will go on the inside. Well, it should go in here, and then it will be housed under these pocketed windows here. So there should be a pocket here, a pocket here, and they will both adjoin by, you know, the little you know, you get what I'm saying. Like, it'll be one at the top, one at the bottom, that will secure them closed. And then the window part of it will also be a pocket, in which case a tabbed journal card should be on the outside. Now, whether or not I'm able to actually pull this off is neither here nor there. We will find out. But in the meantime, between time, I've already went ahead and taken 2 sheets of this craft cardstock, cut it down to, let's see, 4 3/4, and then I cut those down to 4 3/4. So this is what I have at this point. And my desk is a mess, so the way I did it, so this is 4 3/4, and then I scored a 1/2 inch here, and the intention is for it to be able to open like so, right? Okay, and then from there I intend to add up the pocket on the top, and then cut out a window. And you'll just have to see if this all comes together like I'm hoping. Cut out a window here, and then do the same for the bottom. Cut out a window here down to this, on this level, and then they'll be able to be secured by the wraparound thingies. And then this came from this clear acrylic came from I want to say some type of bakery container, you know, I think the one that our croissants come in. So I just cut the lid off of that, and then I'm just gonna cut the windows using this and adhere it with double-sided tape. So that is where we're at, and I likely will end up stitching around the edge. Yeah, I'm wondering if I should do some stamping on here. I'm not sure, but either which way it goes, if you are crafting along with me, now's a great time to go ahead and pull out your craft supplies. And then if you got scraps and you don't have anything new, just pull out some stuff so we can craft together, you know, and we can continue this journey of putting this cute little journal together. And in due time, it will be in the hands of its new owner. Now, if you're new to the channel and this is something that you think you might enjoy and enjoy seeing in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with that notification bell. And for those who are just joining me on this creative process, there'll be a card up in the corner that'll take you to the playlist, in which case you can start from the very beginning and work your way back on up to this video. All right, and okay, so I will see you after I gather the rest of my supplies, and I'll speed this up and add some music to it. So sit back, relax, and let's craft. Okay, so my desk is a mess, but nevertheless, I've gone ahead and finished those pockets. Now, I want you to notice that earlier in the video, you saw me cutting out a third window out of the cardstock, and that's because the first window on the actual flap was made crooked. So I had to improvise, and so there's some additional cardstock underneath there, but I'm sure I'll find a way to camouflage that. Not a big deal. So as it stands right now, and upon conclusion of this video, we have the pockets ready to be placed down on top of the window pockets are ready to be placed down on top of the ephemera holder that will, well, the window pockets will be placed on the cover, and they will have magnets here and magnets here that will house and hold in place the ephemera holder that I will create. Now, I showed you in this little sketch right here, a beautiful, wonderful sketch, the zigzag magnetic ephemera holder that I plan to create for here. So that's what we'll do in the next video. Hope you guys will stay tuned and come on back so that we can continue working on this journal, this Summer in the City journal. And until we're back here together on Patreon and YouTube, my sweet friends, my friends of fam, Pop Squad, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. Ooh, that was a little bit more work than I anticipated. I can guarantee you that. But at least I had a sketch to work from, right? If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.